mustaches out. It's the Colorado ski season, baby. Woo! Boom. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. It is December here in Colorado, and officially the first day me and the lady are gonna go skiing. We got the Icon Pass once again this year. This is the third year in a row. We're starting off this season again at Copper Mountain, which is arguably our favorite mountain out here in Colorado. We made our way up on I-70, didn't have too much trouble with traffic getting up here, and actually got like front row parking in the parking lot, which never happens for us. We opted into walking to the Super B lift. You can take the buses at the main lot, but we figured we needed a little warm up before we start the day off, since it's our first day out skiing for the year and our legs are probably gonna be trashed by the end of it. We're almost at the Super B lift right now. Gonna enjoy our first day out in Colorado ski season. Let's go have a day. Test it out. Ooh, it works. After you, my lady. Alright, so we just ripped a couple runs off of the accelerator lift. A lot of things aren't open right now. Obviously, it's early season here in Colorado. But I gotta say, the snow quality, as far as there not being like a lot of runs open, it's not too bad. I know they made a lot of the snow up here, but the quality of runs right now are pretty damn good, especially for this time of the year. We just stopped at Camp Hale and use the facilities up here, but if you want to know a good coffee spot to come up to here on the mountain that actually has like the least expensive coffee prices, it's here at Camp Hale. Either way, when the lady and I come up to Copper, we usually take the Super B lift up and do a couple runs off of the accelerator lift. These are a lot shorter runs, but they're really good in order to warm up for the day and actually have a really good experience out here. So we're gonna probably do a couple more runs up here and then head back down to the main village area and then hit up American Flyer and American Eagle lifts to do a couple more runs. But this is a great day. It's our first day out. Let's keep getting some turns in. So Savannah, from a 0 to 10, How awesome is this mustache?
6.5.
I'm actually pretty surprised she gave me that. Yesterday when she first saw this thing, she's like, oh, it looks like a little caterpillar on your face. I'll take it. And we're on American Flyer right now, heading up to do a couple more runs. And it is warming up. It's a beautiful bluebird day out, but we've probably worn a couple more layers, more than we should have. Probably gonna get a nice little sunburn after today, but it's completely worth it. It's great to be out here again. It's great to be back on the ski slopes. We're gonna plan on doing a couple more laps up here, just spend some time together, and just enjoy the rest of the day. But it's been so fun, and I'm glad you guys got to watch it, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Definitely gonna be planning on doing a couple trips this year with the lady. We're gonna be planning on going out to Snowbird, Utah, Deer Valley, Alta, Jackson Hole, Steamboat, Aspen, at a couple different resorts in a few weeks here. Hope you guys can come along with us and enjoy the ride. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and hope to see you oot in a boot. We'll see you next time.